Hello everyone. Today we will learn about simple machines. Dear students, simple machine means any small tools that uses less force or energy and makes our work faster and easier. It means tools which help us to do work easily is known as simple machine. There are different types of simple machines like inclined plane, wheel and axle, pulley, lever, wedge and screw. Now let us see about each machine. First we see lever. Lever is a straight rod that is fixed at one point and helps to move or lift an object from the other point. For example, seesaw, plier, bottle opener, etc. A lever has three parts: load, fulcrum and effort. Load is the weight or an object that has to be lifted or moved. Fulcrum is the fixed point on which the rod moves, and effort is the force used to move or lift load. Now, levers are classified into three different types. The first type is first class levers. First class levers have fulcrum in the middle. The load and the effort are on either sides. For example, seesaw, scissors, pliers, etc. The second type is second class levers. Second class levers have load in the middle. The effort and the fulcrum are on either sides. For example, bottle opener, wheelbarrow, nutcracker, etc. The third type is third class levers. Third class levers have effort in the middle. The load and fulcrum are on either side. For example, stapler, tweezer, eye tongs, etc. Now next simple machine is inclined plane. It is a slanted plane surface connecting a lower level to higher level that is used to lift or bring a load down. For example, ramp, slides, stairs, etc. The next one is pulley. A pulley is a grooved wheel with a rope around it. Sometimes it is used to lift heavy objects easily. For example, crane, flagpole, mini blind, etc. The next one is wheel and axle. A wheel with a rod attached to its center is called wheel and axle. A trolley can help us carry heavy objects easily from one place to another. The other examples are cycle, steering, doorknob, etc. The next one is screw. It is a metallic rod surrounded with metallic thread. One side of rod is flat and used to rotate the screw. The other side is pointed. A screwdriver is used to push the screw forward by rotating it. For example, jar lid, screw, corkscrew. The next one is wedge. A wedge is like two inclined planes joined together at their bases. It has one flat, sharp-edged inclined plane that is connected to a rod. It is used to cut logs of trees. For example, axe, knife, etc.